This is how you make a delicious okonomiyaki, a very popular street food in Japan. It's healthy, delicious and super fun to make. Here are all the ingredients that you need for this tasty recipe. These are for topping, and these two are the main sauces for this recipe. Now let's start prepping all the ingredients. First thing you need to do is to cut 300 grams of green cabbage. Then you also have to chop 2 green onions as well. After that we can start preparing the dashi soup. You can do it by combining 150 ml of water with an instant dashi powder. Then you can start mixing the 100 grams of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You add in a dashi soup into it and mix them well like what I'm showing you right now. Then you can add in 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 3 pinches of salt. Mix them well and the butter is ready now. We can move on to the last step before we start cooking. Now we can mix the cabbage with the butter that we have just made. Then you need to add in the tempura butter. In case you don't have it, you can use fresh cut shrimps or squid instead. Then you add in the chopped green onions and start mixing them. After that you have to add in 2 eggs and continue mixing them. Now everything is ready, it's time to start cooking. First preheat your frying pan over a medium heat, then add in vegetable oil. You wait until the oil simmers, then you can put in the mixed butter into the pan and you have to create a round shape like what I'm doing now. Then you start putting the pork belly slices on the top of it. Basically you need to flip it 4 times and each time you have to let it cook for about 4 minutes. So in total you need roughly 16 minutes to cook it. And one more important tip, please don't put the lid on because the cabbage may produce unnecessary water. So cook it the way I'm showing you right now, and it also helps make the cake crispy as well. Once it's ready, you can put the okonomiyaki sauce and the Japanese mayonnaise on top of it. Then you can top it with the dry seaweed and the bonito flakes to spice up the taste of the dish and make it like the original taste. You must learn this recipe and I promise you'll definitely love it. Thank you for watching and hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Have a nice weekend. Bye.